Hello students, today I shall be taking up the topic Project Presentation from Paper Code 205 Personality Development and Communication Skill. Before going to the main topic Project Presentation, let us first understand what do we mean by presentation. So a presentation is a process of presenting something, maybe a topic, to the audience, and it is typically in the form of a demonstration, a lecture, a introduction, or a speech. What is the objective of this presentation? Basically, the objective of any presentation through demonstration or through a lecture, introduction, or a speech. Basically, it focuses on informing, inspiring, motivating, and building goodwill with the audience. Along with that, it also helps in generating new idea about a product or maybe a situation, an event, or any topic. Now the question which comes in front of us is, how do we make effective presentation? Basically, in this lecture video, I shall be focusing on how to make an effective PowerPoint presentation. For that, there are some points, key points which needs to be taken care of. The first point is, we need to be neat in our presentation. We need to use slide master features to create a consistent and a simple design template. Number two, we should not be spending too much time on each slide. So we need to simplify and limit the number of words on each slide. Third is the template that I am using should not be the color of the template or the design of the template should not be too jazzy, because if my template is attractive, too much bright, then it will draw all the attention of my audience, so they will give less attention to what I am speaking. Their entire focus will be on the design of the template, the color that I am using. So we need to use a very sober color template. Okay. Now, when we are doing the presentation, we need to be brief. When we are making the slide, the entire what we want to speak, the entire matter should not be there in the slide. Only keywords should be used. So it is the duty of the presenter to actually elaborate on each point. Maximum time, whenever we see a presentation, we find that the entire slide is full of sentences. When the entire slide is full of sentences, that makes lessens the interest of the audience. So audience will not be interested to look at the slide and to read each and every line or word of the slide. But when we use the only keywords, and that too in the form of bullets, then and the rest, whatever matter we want to convey from that point, we are actually speaking. Then what happens that the audience can also hear to the presenter, and at the same time is also looking at the presentation. So it's very important that the presentation each slide, the matter in each slide of the presentation should be very much brief and to the point, and only the main keywords or points should be mentioned. It is then upon the presenter who is presenting giving the presentation to elaborate on each point. Then when I'm talking about the slides, the color of the template should be and the color of the font color that I'm using should be contrasted. Okay, so we should use contrasting color of text and the background. Suppose if we are using say deep blue color template or the slide, and if I'm writing in white, what happens is that when it is made, the presentation is given in a projector, then at times the white color font is not always visible from every angle. So we need to be very careful about what color of template I am using and what color should be the font. The color of the font and the color of the template should be contrasting and should be also soothing to the eyes. Okay. Next, we should use limited animations, because if each and every word of that slide comes somersaults and comes to its position, then it actually distracts the audience. So the audience will be more engrossed in he'll be paying more attention to the words which are coming in the slide rather than the explanation that the presenter is making, or the point which the presenter wants to present or convey. So therefore we should use very limited amount of animation. Maybe the heading of each slide can have a animated form of presentation, but the entire matter of the slide should not be in a animated format, because as I said, it distracts the audience and it becomes very monotonous. After some time, people will not like to look at the slide for a longer time. Then as we should use good quality of image. The image that we are using should be appropriate with what we want to convey, or maybe the topic of the presentation. And the clarity of the image or the picture is very important. Then the next point is number of slides that we are using should be limited. We should not go on making presentation for if we have been given no time limit, so we keep on speaking. No, we should make very limited number of slides, because my slide, when I'm making a PowerPoint presentation, I should be focusing only on the important points which I want to convey or which I want my audience to know. Unnecessary slides can create boredom to the audience, and the audience after some time will not like to stick to the presentation. They would not like to hear to the presentation. So then their mind will get distracted. They'll be fiddling with their phone or the writing pad or the pencil or the pen, or they might be doing something else. So the moment the audience moves their eye contact from the presenter should understand that this is the time I should start winding up on that slide, go to the next slide, or I should hurry up. Okay. Then another very important thing about presentation is that we need to practice the entire presentation with a third person, in front of a third person who has not seen my presentation before. In such if we do this, what happens is that we can ask for honest feedbacks about the color, the context, then the effect, the graphical images, etc. So we get a feedback from a third person who is neutral and who is looking at the presentation and giving very genuine feedbacks as a layman audience. And at the same time, when we are making a presentation, it is very important that we have a eye-to-eye contact. If we do not have a eye-to-eye contact, then our audience loses their interest on the presenter as well as the presentation. So to make the presentation more effective, as I said, we need to use keywords. The moment we are using keywords and trying to elaborate the keywords by speaking, we try to establish a communication between the presenter and the audience, and therefore we can grab the attention of the audience. And as I said, if time is limited, or we find that people are getting distracted, they are no more interested, they are not interested in my presentation as they were at the beginning of the presentation, we need to skip upon that slides and go to only those slides which actually grabs the attention of the audience, or those slides which can be made attractive and interactive. Thank you.